In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export audit logs from Docusign. Whether you're managing a team, handling sensitive documents, or just want to keep a record of your digital transactions for compliance purposes, understanding how to export these logs can be incredibly beneficial. So let's get started. First, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is renowned for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management solutions, so it's no surprise that it offers a robust audit logging feature. Once you're on the official page, the first thing you need to do is log into your account. Simply click on the Log In button, which should be prominently displayed. Enter your credentials carefully to ensure you access the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Docusign homepage. From here, look out for a section or tab labeled as Home. This is your main dashboard where a lot of user-friendly tools are located. Next, direct your attention to the upper section of the homepage where you'll locate the Admin button. Give that a click. Now that you're in the Admin section, you'll have access to various administrative functions. What you want to focus on here is the Audit Logs option. This feature will allow you to review all the actions taken within your Docusign account, offering a comprehensive history that can come in handy for audits, compliance checks, and internal reviews. Click on Audit Logs and you should be directed to a page displaying your logs in a list format. These contain details of all the modifications and transactions that have occurred on your account. To make reviewing these logs easier and more organized, the Export to CSV option is available. CSV, which stands for comma separated values, is a popular file format due to its compatibility with various data analysis tools like Excel or Google Sheets. By selecting Export to CSV, you can save these logs onto your computer for future reference. The export process is typically quick, but depending on the volume of logs, it may take a few moments to complete. Once the export is finished, you can navigate to your Downloads folder to find the CSV file, and there you have it, a straightforward way to export audit logs from Docusign. This process ensures that you have a comprehensive record of activities within your account, which is essential for maintaining transparency and organizational compliance. Remember, having these logs at your disposal can save you a lot of time and potentially avoid unnecessary complications. So make it a habit to periodically export and review them. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.